Connectors. Connectors join two sentences. Using connectors will help your speaking sound more natural and fluent. We went for a swim. It was a hot day. We went for a swim because it was a hot day. Choosing the right connector to use. Use because to give a reason. I went to the shop because I needed to buy milk. She was driving slowly because it was raining. Use so for the result of something. I was hungry, so I ate a sandwich. It was a hot day, so we went to the beach. Use a comma before so. Although and but contrast the previous idea. It was a sunny day. It was very cold. So we can use although. It was a sunny day, although it was very cold. We can also use but. We enjoy learning English, although it's quite difficult. Remember to use a comma before although and but. We can also use although at the beginning of the sentence. Although it was a sunny day, it was very cold. Leave the comma between the two ideas. Although we enjoy learning English, it's quite difficult. Of course, we can replace although with but. Don't use but at the beginning of the sentence. Remember, because for a reason, so a result, although and but a contrast.